this is your girl Cheyenne, and today I'm going to bring you the look. Okay, welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's your girl Cheyenne, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys the look I promised you guys I was going to be doing last week. So if you guys want to see this look and see how it turns out, just keep watching. So I'm going to take the shades, what's it called? Brother. Oh, okay. So I'm going to take the shades Brother and Cola, and I'm going to go into my crease. Oh, I didn't know you were watching. How are you? So I'm taking this fluffy brush. I'm just going to take that to kind of blend these two colors in and smudge them. So I'm trying not to blend the darker blue into the other blue too much. I'm pretty much just smudging the edge out. I had a little technical difficulty, but I fixed it. So pretty much I just blended those two eyes out. And now we're going to go in and we're going to cut our crease. Okay, retake. So I'm going to take my Juvias Place palette, the Saharan palette, and I'm going to go with the shade I'm on, and we're going to cut my crease, just like this eye, and just take that and put that. So I'm going to take the same palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade called Chad.
Yes, it's a country.
And we're going to pop that bad boy right on the outer crease of my eye, and just blend it into the lid. Yeah, so yeah, just watch. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Brother again, and what I'm doing is I'm putting just
Sister. I had to do the opposite of what.
I'm going to take that upon my. I'm gonna take that and just brush it upon my cheek and just blend this out. And I'm pretty much using this as a base color for when I start sketching out my my clouds. Okay, so now that we got our base background shade, we're gonna go in with this color, Cola. Pretty much, we're using the same colors that we use on our eyes. So we're gonna go with the color Cola. And we're not gonna be blending it too much. We're just gonna be adding little patches of it. So it's like 2 o'clock in the morning when I'm editing this video. But I don't know if you guys can realize it, but I did not realize that the base primer that I used sucked butt cheeks, and it made my eyeshadow on my lid crease so bad. So later on in the video, I had to actually go back and fix it because I didn't realize it until last minute, which really ticked me off. But yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my acrylic paint, because I tried it with eyeshadow and it just didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. I'm going to take my paint and I'm going to take this round. Make sure if you're going to do clouds, like any type of cloud look on your face, because you know, like a lot of this, it's like kind of like a trend nowadays to do a cloud look. If you're going to use a cloud, I personally recommend, I don't know if anybody else does it, but I would recommend you use a round flat concealer brush, because the roundness of it just helps you just add those little fluffies. You'll see. Give me a second. So I'm gonna take this. You're gonna find where you want to put your cloud. Well, shoot, why isn't it up? So what I'm doing is I'm just going in with this gray shade that I created with, you know, the colors you make that make gray, black and white. So I'm just gonna take that because you can tell I kind of used the white to just outline it a little bit, because I don't want it to be solid gray. I want it to have different tones, if you know what I mean. So here I'm taking the same shade that I use on my eyes, the shade Brother from the James Charles palette, and I'm just taking it to shade around the clouds because I didn't feel like there was enough shading around the clouds. So yeah, that is exactly what I'm doing, as you guys can see.
If you are watching still, you should go comment on one of Cheyenne's Instagram pictures, saying like follow me, and she will follow you.
No, I will not. Just joking. Just joking. Now I'm gonna draw. As you can see, I'll do some little. I had a little frosty donut on there. We're just gonna draw. So we're gonna take this paint. I took a little bit of the gray paint and just mixed up with the white paint just to make it not too gray, because I did it at first and the lightning strike was just not showing up. So I already did this one for you guys, so I'm gonna do another one for you guys. Just like I'm doing that just to irritate him. So I'm gonna take this big behind paintbrush. Oh crap! Oh crap! Is that in the video? Oh yeah. Smears everywhere. God! God dang it! So I'm taking this concealer brush. It's the same type of brush but just a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to take that paint, the same shade I think just about, same gray. I'm just going to create bigger clouds because girl, we got a bigger canvas. Okay, so I'm just gonna. So before you guys point the situation out, yes, I know I did not fully paint my shoulders. I never fully paint my shoulders because I only paint what is going to be in the picture that I take for you guys for my finished shot. So please do not come for me. So I'm going in with this white just around the area, just to add a little bit of demarcher. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just doing the same thing, just bigger. We're just gonna do some lightning streaks. Like doodle streaks. It's not funny. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this cute little lipstick by Essence. It's in the shade Belladonna. So that concludes this look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this very unprofessional video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.